If you're building apps using Replit, but your data lives in Databricks, this one's for you. I'm going to show you how to go from a pre-built template to a fully deployed app on Databricks, all using Replit's agent. Everything starts on DevHub, which is the Databricks Developers Hub. Let me show you. This is DevHub, or developers.databricks.com. If you navigate over to templates, you'll see an entire gallery of app templates that you can use with your Databricks data. Each one is a ready-made starting point that you can use to jumpstart your next project. One note though, not every single template works with Replit. If you choose the Replit filter here, you can see just the ones that are. Let's go ahead and choose the Genie Analytics app template. This template will build a dashboard of your data, including a Genie chat that you can use natural language to ask questions about your data. In the template, you'll see a copy prompt button where you can copy instructions to give to any coding agent. You can copy and paste it into your agent, or since we're using Replit, we can go ahead and choose Open Prompt In and choose Replit instead. As you can see, this takes us straight into Replit with the prompt already filled into our agent chat. Before we hit Submit, let's go ahead and choose our Databricks Apps template and then go ahead and click Start. As our agent is building, it may ask a few questions if it needs to. Here, it's asking us which dataset to use. We'll go ahead and choose the samples big house dataset, which is a dataset that comes preloaded in our Databricks workspace. And here's the finished app. We can see the data from our big house dataset. And also we have our Genie chat where we can ask natural language questions about our dataset. Let's go ahead and ask a question to make sure that everything works. Great, it looks like everything's working. Now that everything's working, let's go ahead and deploy our app to Databricks. And it's deployed. Replit gives you a direct link to the app on Databricks, so you don't have to find it in your workspace. Click it and you'll see the live deployed app. And because it's deployed on Databricks, it comes with all the built-in security and governance that comes with every Databricks app. And that's it. If you're already using Replit, but your data lives in Databricks, check out the template gallery on DevHub and use the Open in Replit button to quickly scaffold an app and deploy directly to Databricks.